channel. This could be like a little quick video because I just got my big old Shein box. That'll be in like the next video. But I got this wig from Shein and I'm about to, you know, flat iron it. So I want to show you guys. It's really soft. I cut the lace off already. Probably can still see a little bit. I'm not that good when it comes to wigs, but you know, it's softened. I just came from work, so I look a little rough, and I'm looking in the mirror, so if I'm not looking at y'all, that's why. But this is going to be a little quick video of me flat ironing this hair and trying to attempt to style it. It looked like a honey blonde. At first I thought it was like a dark brown with a little bit of blonde highlights, but it's the total opposite. But it's still cute to me, I feel. This one looks like in the back. So it's not shedding or anything either. So my handy dandy flat iron. This is from Gina Lily Milano. My godmother, she bought this for me years ago, I think when I was 16. So yeah. So I'm just about to fast forward through this to fix my hair up. Okay, y'all, I'll be right back. I think it's really cute on me. I got my little fake nose piercing because I'm really trying to figure out if I really want a nose piercing. So I've been trying to put fake nose piercings in my little nostril. I got this from Shein as well. So you'll see all that in the next video. But I'm going to try to do some baby hair and hopefully I don't mess it up. Because that's what I'm nervous about. This is what I look like with my glasses on with it. Cute. Yeah, I look real cute. But yeah, I'm about to try to do some baby hairs in it. And then I'll come back. Okay, so for real, honestly, y'all, I did not do the baby hairs. I just took some makeup and colored it in. I'm not really that good when it comes to, you know, stuff like this. But, you know, I think it's cute. And my nose ring, I really might get a real nose ring. Because I really like how this looks. I think I look cute. So, you know, this is what the back looks like. It's probably not the best, but you know that, remember that meme when they be like, stiff with. But yeah, this is the finished look. So if y'all want to see more videos like this, or if y'all want to see me attempt to actually fix a wig up, just comment it down below. And if you want me to order some more wigs from Shein, I can do a whole series on me buying the most cheapest wig, the most expensive wig, everything. So comment down below, but don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and join the family. I'm almost to 100 subscribers, and I'm so thankful for everybody who has been following my channel, subscribe to me, and just supporting me throughout everything. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.